this is Raina with LYLO Crafts coming on today as week 3 as part of the ATC Coin With Us open collaboration. And what an ATC coin is just a circle that is 2.5 inches in diameter, and you can decorate it any way that you like. And this open collaboration is hosted by Annie Creates, Granny Martha's House, Melody Made, and by Mimi with Love. And I will put the links to all 4 of those incredible ladies' channels in the description box below. And then also, if you want to check out all the other amazing collaborators, just type in the hashtag ATC Coin With Us. Okay, so I'm going to go into my coins, and then at the end of that, I will tell you, just remind you about the giveaway that I am doing, which will be on Monday. And so the paper that I used for today is this, Gifts of Gold with foil, and this is from Hobby Lobby, and I think I got this last year, or maybe 2 years ago, I can't remember when, on sale for half off. And then I also am using this really cute ephemera pack, which is, I actually purchased on AliExpress, but it has a lot of pastel and teal, so super fun ephemera. And then the last thing I'm using are these snowflake DollarTree ornaments that come 6 to a pack. I just wanted you to see what they look like. Okay, so let me get my coin out. Okay, this week I made 6 coins, and here are the first 2, and I used the foil paper for all of them, and so there are 6 different foil backgrounds, and this one has music notes, and here you can see the snowflake is layered underneath there. I use gold twine or gold cording here, and I have these 2 little Christmas ornaments layered in between with a snowflake and a candy cane in the background, and this one says Noel, and this one has the snowflake, and then it has a ticket that says $12.25 for Christmas. I just thought that was so great. And then it has this really sweet bird, and it says Christmas Magic. Okay, and hey, now let me tell you about my next 2. Okay, so as you can see, I used a striped foil background for this one, and I layered it up also with a candy cane, and this time I used iridescent beads to kind of create some abstract interest in the background, and I layered it up with that snowflake, and then a Christmas tree and a Christmas stocking, and it says joy. And then I added this really great bead dangle over here. Okay, and then the next one that I did was this one, and it has snowflakes, and then the house with this adorable wreath. And my home has always been a place of peace for me, and so I used the word peace, and then I added this great matte gold dangle right over here to the snowflake. Okay, and now the last 2 that I created are 2. And this one right here has some gold snowflakes and a star that I layered in the background. And here you can see a little bit more of that snowflake ornament from the Dollar Tree. And then I have this great tree and this bird singing fa la 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 la, as well as some gold twine accented on here. And then the 6th one, the last one that I made this week, is this one right here, which is all about snowflakes. So it's kind of got stars in the background, which I took as snowflakes. I've got a teal snowflake in the background, and I've got a pink and teal in the foreground. The snowflake is actually on here, and then I used, it's got this sweet little guy, and then I used this sentiment called Snowflake Kisses. So those are my 6 coins that I made for this week, which is the last week. So know that, let me tell you about my giveaway. So for my giveaway, all you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel, be 18 or over, you need to like and comment on all 3 weeks' videos. So I will put a link to those videos in the description below. And I will do a drawing on Monday and announce the winner. And what you will get is your choice of which week coins you would like. Would you like week 1, week 2, or week 3? And you get them all. So I'm going to pick one winner who gets to pick which week coins they would like. And if you are international, you will receive a PayPal prize. So this is open to both US and international subscribers. Okay, so that is it. I really appreciate you stopping by today, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.